Before we start any yoga asanas, it is important that we do this warm up first so that we have all joints, micro joints are ready to practice the asana. And after that, we can go to the next sequence of asana. Now, stand straight, come to Tadasana, palm tree pose, feet together. And now start from your eyes. Take them horizontal. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes. Then look up and down. Up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Close your eyes. Again, open your eyes. Now, you can rotate your eyes clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Then close your eyes. Rub your palms together. Heat of your hands, generate the heat, and keep it on your eyes. Massage your face. Okay, now we'll do the neck one. Neck. Take a deep breath. Look at the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Take 2 breaths. Change, hold. Take 2 breaths. Bring to the center. Now take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Total 10 times. Inhale, breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Inhale. Hold. And relax. Now you can rotate your neck 5 times each. Half and go back. Three, 4, 8, 'and relax. So you can do 5 times each from both the sides. Okay, so that's all done, and relax. And now let's move to your shoulder blade. So we have done up to here, and now we'll move on to shoulder blade. So now roll your shoulders. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now take both hands straight and open, close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on doing. Fast. Increase the blood circulation towards your fingers. Okay, now keep them straight. Down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Keep them straight, left and right. And take both hands like this. Make them tight. Open and bring them back tight. Expansion of the lungs. Breathe out. Inhale. Tight. Tight. Keep them tight. Keep them tight. Inhale. Exhale. Now put your thumb inside. Rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now throw it, strengthening, elbow, give the jerk. And relax, come back. Take deep breath. सांस ले लें. Okay, now. And now you can just go and do the open both the heart. Take both the hands up. Inhale. Hold your breath in the lungs. Exhale. Breathe out. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, relax. Come back. Now, take both the hand and shoulder. Let's do shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax, come back. Take few breaths. Take a deep breath. And now we'll do the back bend. So let's do the back bend. Look straight. Put both the thumbs here. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch. And come back. Again, inhale. Exhale, stretch. Come back. You can do one more time. One more time. Inhale, one more time. Exhale. Okay, come back. When you bend backward, don't try to go beyond your mild discomfort. Look at your capacity, only do it. Don't do it too much. Okay, and just do it really easily. Now we'll do the spinal twist. So keep your feet straight, shoulder width apart. Shoulder width apart. Okay, take both the hands straight and take it back. Let's go back. Go back. Go back. Okay, now and then after that you just have to bend forward. Okay, take both the hands and keep going down and drop it. Drop, bend forward. Hold it for some times. Inhale up. Again, exhale down, hold, drop. Come back. So let me show you front also. Just go down, drop. You can also go up to here. If you cannot go completely down, just go here. And then you can do big. You can rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And after that, you join your feet together. Join your knees together. Join your feet together. Now you can join your knees together. Keep both the hands, feet like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after that, you can rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then change 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So that was the warm-up. Before we start any yoga asanas, it is important that we do this warm-up first, so that we have all joints, micro joints are ready to practice the asana. And after that, we can go to the next sequence of asana.